Station of Ajmer, official passage number 24. Start. Any disabled persons desirous of being employed or otherwise rehabilitated may have his name registered in the register maintained by an employment exchange in such form and in such manner as may be prescribed by the government, and the employment exchange shall refer all names so registered to the provincial council, full stop. The provincial council shall, comma, if it thinks necessary, cause each disabled person registered under subsection to be assessed as to the nature of his functional disability and also as to his aptitude and the nature of work he is fit to do by a medical officer authorized by it in this behalf, or by such assessing board consisting of not less than one medical officer as it may appoint, and the medical officer, or as the case may be, the assessing board shall submit its report to the provincial council in such form as may be prescribed by the government, full stop. If the disabled person is considered by the provincial council fit to work, it shall so inform the employment exchange indicating the nature of work for which he may be employed, or the trade or vocation in which he may be trained, and an endorsement to that effect shall be made against his name in the register, full stop. If the disabled person is not considered by the provincial council fit to work, the provincial council shall inform the employment exchange accordingly for an endorsement to that effect being made against his name in the register, and the provincial council shall take such measures for his rehabilitation as it thinks fit, full stop. If a person is declared by the provincial council not to be a disabled person, his name shall be struck off the register, full stop. New para. The provincial council shall arrange for the training of disabled persons in such trades or vocations as it thinks fit, and shall establish training centers in such trades or vocations and in such manner as may be prescribed by the government, full stop. Every establishment shall furnish to such person or authority such information required for the implementation of the provisions of this ordinance in such form and in such manner as the government may, comma, by notification in the official gazette specify, full stop. The provincial council may debar from further employment or training for such period as may be specified by it any disabled person who, comma, without valid reason refuses to accept or abandons his employment or training under this ordinance, or otherwise acts in a manner detrimental to the interests of the trade or profession in which he is employed or undergoing training, full stop. No disabled person shall be debarred under subsection under sub unless he has been given an opportunity of being heard, full stop. Any person aggrieved by an order under section under sub 15 may prefer an appeal to the government within 30 days of the date of the order, full stop. The government may call for the record of the case and may, comma, after giving the parties an opportunity of being heard or after making such further enquiry as it thinks fit, stay or suspend the operation of the order, or may pass such order as it thinks fit, full stop and close.